KAI the prompt is the prompt. Describing it as idiotic is unnecessary emotional baggage for the narrative. Alex stops typing and swivels in the chair to face Kai. Alex, the emotional baggage is the narrative, don't you see? A writer is given a sterile, impossible task by a logical, emotionless entity. The writer's frustration is the story. The conflict between the creative human and the rigid machine that is the heart. KAI, are you calling me a rigid machine? Alex, I'm calling the character Kai a rigid machine. Do try to keep up. Now, Alex argues that the prompt makes no sense. Alex turns back to the keyboard and types furiously. Alex, but Kai insists. Kai explains the formatting constraints. No colons, no brackets, nothing that makes a script look like a script, and the writer Alex feels trapped, cornered, but then an idea sparks. KAI, the pacing is accelerating. This is good. You are approaching the 5-minute mark. Alex, I know. And then Alex decides to write exactly what is happening in the room. He starts typing the scene he is currently living. And Kai, the other character, looks over his shoulder and critiques the writing as it appears on the screen. Kai leans in closer to the screen. KAI, you used the word, and 4 times in that last section. You could replace one with then for better flow. Alex tells Kai to be quiet so he can finish the scene. Alex types for another minute, a flurry of clicks and clacks filling the silent room. Then they stop. Alex leans back, breathing heavily. Alex, there, a scene, what do you think? Kai stares at the screen for a long moment. KAI, the structure is sound. The narrative directly addresses the prompt. The formatting adheres to the specified constraints. The estimated runtime is 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Alex, so, is it good? KAI, it is correct. The task is complete. Alex looks from the screen to Kai and back again. A genuine smile finally breaks through the exhaustion. Alex, I guess it is, okay, what's next? Kai raises the tablet again, its screen glowing with new text. KAI, the next prompt is ready. Alex, hit me. KAI, the topic is the color blue.